Look how tall the green trees grow. They reach all the way to the sky. 1, 2, 3 green leaves. So many leaves on the tree. So many green leaves. Look at the soft green moss growing on the roots. So soft and green. Look at the circles inside the tree. Every ring tells a story. So many secret circles. Each ring means 1 year older. This tree is so old. Happy birthday, big tree! Look! Trees are cozy homes for animal friends. A safe home in the tree. Look at the giant green canopy covering the whole forest. A giant green blanket for the trees. Goodbye, tall trees. See you next time. Bye-bye, forest friends.